For task number 1, we see we have some results from a survey about the hours of media used each day by a number of students. There are 21 total points of data here, and we are to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, the range, and then decide what to use as the measure of center. So to calculate the mean, our first task is to add up each of these numbers. So we end up with 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus, and we have to add them all up together. When we do that, we end up with a grand total of 149. Since there are 21 data points, we need to divide that by our total number of data points. So divided by 21, that will give us a total of 7.095. And that decimal keeps going, so we can round that to 7.1 if we wish. That would be our mean, so 7.1 I'm going to put right here. For the next task, we are to find the median. Now the median is the number in the middle, and in order to find the number in the middle, these numbers must be in order. So I'm going to rearrange these in order. That is as follows: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 8, 8, 9, 9, 11, 11, 13, 13, 14, and 16. Now I like to, as I go along, just kind of mark them off like so. So I know that I got them all. I have done that previous to this, so I did that already. All right, to find the median, we need to find the number in the middle, so I'm going to mark them off until I get to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then on this side, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That leaves this number 6 right in the middle. So our median is 6. Mode. Mode is the number that occurs most often, and we can see that 5 occurs 3 times. No other number occurs 3 times, so it is the one that occurs the most often. That is our mode. And then range. Range is the difference from the largest to the smallest. So our smallest number is here at 1. Our largest number is 16. So if we take those and subtract, 16 minus 1 is 15. So the range is 15. Now, measure of center. We have to decide on that. When the data is symmetric, we use the mean for the measure of center, but the data here is not symmetric. We can actually see that if we just take a look right here. When the data is symmetric, the mean and the median are the same value. But since our data is skewed off to the right, we've got a couple of very large numbers right here that end up skewing the data and pulling the mean over to the right. We should choose the median as the measure of center. So median, and the reason why we choose that is because the data is skewed to the right. Data is skewed right. Or there are some numbers out here pulling that data off to the right.